This is one of the most important question of NCERT. Chapter is circle and example number 3. Yes or no? So you have to take care about two things. One theorem is based on circle, that suppose this is a tangent. So it will be making 90 degree with radius of a circle. Second theorem is, if any point is given, any point is given, so this is OP and this is OQ. So length of OP is equal to length of OQ. Yes or no? This is second. And if any circle is given and this is center of the circle and this is chord is given, so perpendicular from center of circle to the chord bisect the chord. If the length of chord is like this, suppose OPQ, so OP is equal to PQ. So this is one of the most important concepts. So given length of PQ is 8 centimeter. Given length of PQ is 8 centimeter. Length of TP is equal to length of TQ. Tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. From an external point to a circle are equal. Point to a circle are equal. Okay. So triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. You have to also do construction. Join OT. So this is the join OT. Okay. So OT is angle bisector of angle bisector of angle QTP. That is TQ is perpendicular on PQ. This is angle bisector. Yes or no? It means this is 90 degree. Then it will be, if this is angle bisector, then it will be 90 degree. Otherwise, you can also prove, yes or no, by congruency, this length is equal to this length. This angle is equal to this angle. And this is the common side. So by SAS, we can prove this. These two triangles are congruent to each other. So this will be equal to this. So that will be 90 degree. So now length of PR is equal to length of RQ, which is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. In triangle PRQ, PR square plus OR square is equal to 5, means OP square. So PR is 4 square, OR we have to find, and this is 5 square. So OR square is equal to 25 minus 16. So OR is equal to 9. So OR square is 9. So OR is equal to 3. Plus minus 3, but length cannot be negative. So we have to take positive value. That is 3 centimeter. Yes or no? Any doubt? Any doubt in this question? You can ask. Very important questions. So